Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, hold on. Let me click. Okay, so hello, Lim KL Lim. Okay, review MAG CBHB Hexcap Sendai. Okay, thank you very much. No problem. Okay, buying, selling 26, 28, successfully selling. Okay, later we review and see. Hello, Mary, Tenaga, and Maybank. Okay, FGV PIE from Josephson and Anthony. Okay, market tumble 25 point due to foreign selling of heavyweights, especially finance counters. Please indicate S1, S2, R1, R2 for Gamuda, Pentec, Armada. Okay, hello Jordan, how are you? Okay, Rayten, Plytech. Okay, HSI, possible go up to 24K again. Okay, later we review. Hello Nick, good evening. Okay, just a general question. Since market dropped drastically, does it mean one should sideline until index recovered over 1500s lah before entry? Okay, later I answered. Okay, so Jordan 9988 1024, no problem. Hello Ismail Adam. Okay, CL what today? No entry, no CL lah. Okay, so yep. Please help us to click like and also share this live session now, okay? Because current market sentiment is quite weak, so I believe we have lesser viewers or audience to tune in. So we need your help, okay, to share around, so at least we can get few more audience to tune in. Okay, so today content, let's warm up with the market outlook, because this market outlook, okay, the US market may influence to our local market as well. Okay, then oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Let me know the stocks you want me to review and your intention, whether you're looking for support or resistance. Okay, so yeah, provide me more information so I can give you a better view. Okay, so disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, let's warm up with the US market first. Okay, so if we see actually for Dow Jones yesterday, they already broke down here, one of the crucial support. Okay, you can see since last year, I think October onwards they have been supported here quite very well, but yesterday they already break down. So today, okay, at the moment futures is still running, right? So we still need to wait for an hour for US market to open. Okay, at the moment they are coming back to retest the resistance. Okay, so if they are unable to recover back above 42k, then would be bad for them. Okay, we may consider as a double top breakdown, or you can say it's a McDonald's breakdown or M-shaped breakdown. Okay, means go back to McDonald's work lah. Okay, so no need to trade already, go to work. Okay, so if they break down, I think they may visit maybe 40k easily. Okay, so how about the S&P? Okay, yeah, CPI just released by the second I starts. Okay, for me this data okay, good or bad is not, how to say good or bad it depends on how the Wall Street say. Okay, sometimes bad data is good for them, sometimes good data is bad for them. Okay, they can say, oh, the worst is over, then the market rebound, or they will say, oh, bad data, then they will cut the rate, then good for the market. Okay, so the story all from there all lah. Okay, good or bad, we need to see lah. For me, I prefer wait for US market open the first hour, we see how it's going. Okay, at the moment tentatively futures market is still a little bit favorable with the data lah. Okay, but yeah, maybe just a hype only. Okay, because overall they are still weak. Okay, if we look back to the S&P this also is officially a M-shaped breakdown already. Okay, they also break below 200 MAs. So for me, overall they are still weak. Okay, they are still weak. So this one, until they can, okay, unless by tonight they can recover back above 5,007 then different story. Otherwise, I see the bear is still in control. Okay, how about the Nasdaq? Okay, Nasdaq also a so-called M-shaped breakdown, and also they break below 200 MAs. And yesterday, or we can say Monday, they broke below 19.8k. So overall, I would say these three market is still quite weak. Okay, it's still quite weak until they have made a strong maybe V-shaped recovery or what lah. Okay, we only can change our bias to slightly bullish lah. Okay, so far we can see actually market a little bit how to say positive with the CPI data, but okay, with tomorrow we still got a PPI data. Okay, so this I would say just a temporary volatility. Okay, and we still got an hour for the US market to open. What if they open, they will say, hey, no, 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 no. Then they press the price down again. So I would say this is more suitable for those who do a scalping or intraday. Okay, they just hit and run, then okay lah. Because later they will come out with different story. Okay, so next one is because this one data or in short term is no longer follow the how to say economy 101 like that already. Okay, this one depends on how the Wall Street say. Okay, how about the oil price? Okay, so far oil price, okay, I would say oil price is very very weak, but seems like they found a bottom lah. Okay, seems like they found a bottom. Okay, you can see this bottom 65 to 67 is a support since 2021, end of 2021 lah. So has been supported quite many years already. Okay, at the moment seems like they are paused. Okay, they are stopped selling down further and start to slow down at this zone. Okay, so take note on WTI 65. Okay, as long as above 65, I think they do have potential to have some short-term bounce. But if they break below 65, sorry, we will see more crash down on the oil price. And how about the gold price? Gold price still alright lah. Okay, yesterday made a good comeback. Okay, recover back above 2009. Today neutral lah. Okay, market still, US market still not really open. But I would say overall gold price is still very, very, very strong. Okay. And how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin yesterday recovered back above 82k. Seems like they are trying to, how to say, flirting around or doing a whipsaw at the 200 MAs. So we see lah, above 80k, they still got hope to make a comeback. Okay, below then no lah. Okay, they may go to 70k already, which is my ultimate goal lah for the Bitcoin. And for the Ethereum is very, very weak. Okay, they already broke below 200 MAs long time ago. Okay, last month lah. Okay, so yesterday got a mini hammer lah. So I expect maybe due to oversold, they may have some short-term bounce up. Okay, just like that only. Okay, how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, I just realized on how much. Okay, we negative 35 points melampau this one. Okay, so okay, based on the big picture, what you can see since 2024 February until now, okay, they built out a Mount Kindan-Palu, or we can say this is an average lah, right? You can see, or you can say this is a not so nice or a little bit ugly punya head and shoulder pattern lah. Okay, actually yesterday they already broke down. Okay, yesterday open gap down, broke below 1530. Okay, yesterday candle already showed that no good. Okay, no good already. And today another gap up, gap down. Sorry, gap down. Continue sell down. So based on here, I see no reason for them to come back yet lah. Okay, and their next, I would say next support zone okay, which is I think back in the 2023 punya support zone somewhere around here. Should be somewhere around 1460 to 1430. Okay, this would be the next zone. Maybe they will take a pause. Okay, maybe they will go sideways around here. So at the moment, overall is still weak. And if the US market, okay, tentatively they are still bullish. Okay, okay, can I rejected a bit already? Okay, tentatively, for today is still bullish. But okay, what if tomorrow morning the closing is bearish? Okay, if tomorrow closing is a negative few hundred points, I think our KLCI will be impacted lah. Okay, we may see another gap down. Okay, may go to 1460 or even lower. Okay, but if tomorrow US market closing is a plus, positive, maybe 400 points, 500 points. Okay, maybe our sentiment is not so bad lah. Okay, despite you can see despite US market going up, our market actually not so strong. Okay. So when others country, okay, US market go up, we go down. When US market go down, we go down further. Okay, so tentatively the sentiment is still weak lah. But yeah, just beginning of 2025 only. So we still got many months to go. So I believe this year will be good, but tentatively first quarter will be bad. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, so let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, let me go through one by one. Okay, MAG. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one tak cantik already lah. MAG already broken down below 180, already tak cantik. And the pump, for me, I think the pump is over. Okay, tentatively they have a minor support at 165 lah. So the penny, this one, I think most likely sideways, nothing much. Okay, in short term, not much opportunity. Until if they go back above 180, then baru ada story. Otherwise, I think they may continue sideways lah. Okay, what CBH Engineering Holding Berhad. Okay, this one I don't know whether they are famous or not lah, but from my understanding, I don't know discounters at all. So this one only after listed they do pump up for a few days only lah. After that they wash down. So far I didn't detect any high volume. Okay, yesterday they appeared with a slightly strong bullish candle. Volume boleh tahan lah, not too much, not too less. Okay, boleh tahan lah, acceptable lah. Okay, today also close with a so-called hammer or like candle. Volume not so much, boleh tahan. Okay, based on here, I think short-term wise, maybe they might bounce up to maybe at least fill the gap first lah, 295, and also it's a 20 MA low, 20 MA resistant. But for me overall, not so strong. Okay, maybe due to oversold and maybe they want to defend the price. Okay, push the price up to fill the gap. Okay, just like that only. But overall, they are weak. Okay, overall they are weak. Okay, how about Hex Cap? Buying sorry 2628. Okay, if your planning is a buying or if your plan is a 2628 to do a sideways trade, I think okay, boleh. Okay. But this one I'm not so familiar. From what I see, not much volume lah. Okay, not much volume. So Hex Cap no good already. Okay, especially yesterday they already officially break down to 95. Okay, tak cantik already. And today also no energy lah. Okay, so based on here, I think Hex Cap also tak cantik. Okay, how about the Sendai? Sendai also weak lah. Sendai already given so many warnings. Break 200 MAs, break 50 cents. Okay, now back to the support zone. Okay, so they even break here lah. 420, they also break down. So based on here, I think the next destination or the next support would be 385. Okay, overall it's still weak. Okay, it's still weak. Okay, so seems like very susah our market. Okay, how about the Tenaga? Oh, okay. As expected this one. Okay. I think Monday or last week I also mentioned actually Tenaga, they are no longer that strong as last year. Okay, and they already broken down below the 200 MAs. Okay, the orange line already broken down, and when they retest, they are not able to recover back above 14 ringgit. So for me, it's not so strong. Okay, now they are at one of the support lah, 13. Okay, 13 ringgit. Okay, which I think is still weak. Okay, if they close below 13 ringgit, I think we may see more downside. Okay, this is a good news for those investors who want to buy at the cheaper price lah. Okay, so if we base on the overall structure point of view, we can see actually this is a box. Okay, if they break down, they may have more downside, probably to next stronger support. I would say is somewhere around 11 ringgit. Okay, but if they can hold, okay, if 13 ringgit can hold, maybe they will test again the 14 ringgit. Okay, so maybe for those investors, maybe will be happy lah. Hope that they can break, go down further, then they got chance to get at the cheaper price. Okay, otherwise 14 ringgit, 13 ringgit actually not so attractive lah, in my opinion. Okay, not so attractive. if they can go to 10 ringgit like that, lucky best, this one. Okay, how about the Maybank? Okay, Maybank price adjusted, today got dividends. So far, so good. Not really much moving. Okay, just that a little bit open gap down, just like that only. So I would say, yeah, as long as above 200 MAs, I'm still positive lah. So 990 and 10 ringgit would be their uh immediate support zone. Okay, but for me, I realize some of the bank counters, they are turning into downtrend lah. So far, Maybank yet to happen, but just be cautious only lah. Okay, just in case only. So for me, if you want to lighten your position, also okay. But if you are long term holder, you are like 3 to 5 years holder, no problem lah. No need to do anything lah. Still okay. But if you are short term or more on mid term, or you need to use your money for something else, then I think now you can lighten a bit. Okay. Depends depends on the duration. If you are short term, of course you need to take note where. And if you're long term, no need to see at all already lah. Okay, how about FGV? Okay, FGV, they are still below 200 MAs. Okay, this is a fact that they are still below 200 MA. They are still weak. Okay, one of the good news is they seems like found a bottom. Okay, they seems like not really going anywhere. Okay, they are still within the they are still sideways within the zone, and overall volumes recently overall volumes is still okay. Okay, the only risk is take note on, because this is a below 200 MAs punya counters. Okay, sometimes they may suddenly break down and waterfall down punya. Okay, this also got the risk. You need to have an expectation. Okay, but for short term, you need to fight for the high risk, high return, right? So at the moment, indicator for the MACD, moving averages point of view, at least we can see the price is above 20, 50 and 100 MAs. So short term, maybe okay. Okay, just the long term, they need to challenge here. And the most important is a 120, 122 level. Okay, if they can break through, I think they do have some more upside role for them. Okay, so for safer bet, okay, either you can wait for the breakout to do a breakout trade, or you may plan around here with your cut loss below maybe 109 also can. Okay, so this one I would say based on what I see on the structure, I think we can wash out lah. Maybe next week we see got any chance or not. Okay, how about the PIE? Wow, pie. Well, you can see this pie sell down for so many days. Sell down for so many years. Okay, finally. Okay, this one is more on, I would say, is more on rebound opportunity lah. Okay, because these counters also below 200 MAs. Okay, what we can see based on the volume analysis. Okay, 6th of March, 7th of March, they have high volume sell down. 10th of March, the selling pressure slowing down because the volume can see lesser already. Yesterday, Tuesday, they have a higher volume. Okay, if we based on these few days based on the volume, you can see yesterday is a bullish candle and the volume higher than previous day. Okay, so actually yesterday was a first day signal. Okay, and today the volume, okay, you can see today's volume is better than the past few days, right, with a bullish candle. So based on here, we may expect for some short-term bounce up. Okay, for this bounce up, I think I will see until 20 MA first lah. So by the time should be somewhere around 4 ringgit level lah. Okay, I think by the time the 20 MA will come down, maybe they will just touch a 20 MA and continue sell down. Okay, just like what happened here. Quite similar. They also have some volume here, right? So they bounce up to 20 MA, then test again, fail, sell down. Okay, now macam got some volume come into support. Okay, based on the previous experience, so maybe they might bounce up to maybe 4 ringgit or nearby 4 ringgit before go down or how lah. Okay, so what we can expect based on the volume and the price action is they do have potential for some short-term bounce up. Okay, because due to they are still below 200 MA, so we are against the trend, counter trend trade, or we can say it's a potential bottoming fishing. Okay, so I will use today's low as our last defense, which is a 3 ringgit. Okay, so long the closing price above 3 ringgit, this rebound trade is still possible. Okay, so watchable this one. Okay, good counters lah. Okay, I mean not good counters, good case studies. Okay, let me see. Foreign selling. Okay, for me, I not so believe on foreign selling or buying lah. Okay, for me, he's a net seller or net buyer only. Okay, so far we can see is a net seller lah. Okay, net seller only. Okay, how about the Gamuda? Okay, let's see. Wah, Gamuda pun sudah tak strong already ah. Okay, what we can see Gamuda, the high is getting lower. Okay, finally officially break below 200 MAs already. Okay, some more today this break with high volumes. So overall, I would say not so pretty, not so nice for the short, midterm, not nice. Okay, long term I will put into neutral already because they just break below 200 MAs. Okay, so I will say short term, midterm, Gamuda is weak. Long term, I will say I will put a question mark first lah. Is still a neutral mode. Okay, until they prove they test again, unable to go through, then continue sell down. Then I will say long term also started to turn into downtrend lah. Okay, so let me delete. Okay, so this one, since they consider breaking below 8380 already, today closing 377 lah. So where's their next support? Okay, maybe 340 already. Okay, next support 355, 340. Okay, S1, S2, take note that. And for the resistance, 4 ringgit is a psychology level lah, and also it's a 200 MAs. Okay, 4 ringgit, 415. 415, if you think 415 is too near already, you can put at the 435 lah as your R2. Okay, so for me, this one, let them do a big correction or stabilize first lah. We only KIV. Okay, for me, this one, long term, you can see lah, they are still in an uptrend. Okay, just that now they are in a big correction mode. So let them stabilize, let them do whatever they want. Okay, once they stabilize and buyer come back, then only join the boat also okay lah. Okay, Pentec susah lah. Okay, this one many warning already given. Okay, the first time when they break below 200 MAs, we can say the long term is more on neutral view already. Okay, no longer bullish. And this one, you can see, okay, they try again, not able to go through 200 MAs. So we can say long term also started to turn weak. Okay, then breakdown 90 cents. Confirm no good already lah. Okay, breakdown 850, lagi confirm lah. Breakdown 80 cents, lagi susah. Okay, you can see we don't know where is the low. Okay, even though this is a potential support, all also broken. Okay, broke easily. Okay, where's their next support? Okay, 645 already. Okay, 645 would be their immediate stronger support lah. Okay, based on yesterday and today price action, I would say looks like the selling pressure started to slow down. Okay, this may lead to some short-term bounce up, but I don't think will be very strong bounce up. You can see so many hammer here. Okay, hammer. Okay, also double A. Okay, continue sell down. Hammer. Okay, tapi macam tak berapa strong. Okay, so for me is not so convinced. I would not take the risk. Okay, even yes, also do a day trade only. Okay, for me, not so convinced me. So you take note again when the price at 645. Okay, if they continue breakdown, where's the next support? This could be somewhere around 580 already though. But this Pentec you can see okay, since when 2020 end of 2020 they uptrend until 2024. Okay, or we can say 2021 uptrend until 2024, right? But now they started to turn into downtrend now. So is it mean okay they can uptrend for 1, 2, 3? They can uptrend for 3 years. Is it they also can downtrend for another 2 years or 3 years, right? Because the trend already changing down. So I would say no hurry lah at the moment, no hurry. Okay, So otherwise your money will stuck inside lah. Okay, if your money stuck inside for the long downtrend, susah also, right? And Armada also not good already broken down below the crucial support zone, which is a 545 and 565, already broken down. Okay, now back to the one of the support, 50 cents and 460 lah. Okay, but for me also tak berapa cantik. Okay, but if you're interested, cut loss if they go below 460. Okay, if they are able to bounce up, 545, 565 is their resistance zone. Okay. This one also need to depends on the oil price lah. If the oil price they can spike out overnight. Okay, spike out a lot overnight. Okay, maybe they will attract some short term sentiment. Otherwise, no reason for them to push out also lah. Okay, how about the Plytech? Okay, Plytech also tak cantik already, as they already broke down below 200 MAs. I think the level I mentioned earlier was 30 cents and 310. They also broke down already. So nothing much for this one. Okay, tak berapa cantik also. Okay, how about the HSI? Okay, HSI so far so good lah. Okay, looks like even though you can see on last Thursday, Friday they have a shooting star. Monday a rejection, Tuesday already a bullish candle made a comeback already. So looks like HSI is still alright. Okay, so long above 22500, I'm still bullish with them. And yeah, 24k no problem lah, should be no issue. Okay, but whether they can close above 24k, that's more important. Okay, just a general question. Since market dropped drastically, does it mean one should stay sideline until index recovered above 1005 before entry? Okay, good question. Okay, depends on your intention. Okay, if you are investor, yeah, you should start to plan to get in already. Okay, like how to say? Okay, maybe you study the company already and you know they are undervalued. Okay, and we also understand market sell down due to the sentiment only, not the company not performing, right? So just because of the market sentiment costed the price drop. Okay, not because of the company performance is lousy. Okay, so if you are a value investor or investor, yeah, of course it's a good timing to plan to go in slowly lah. Maybe you can do a dollar cost averaging, buy the stocks you are very confident that they can go up or they have a bright future in the next 3 to 5 years. Okay, that will be a best time now. Okay, but if you are a trader, you are very depending on the market sentiment. And you can see every day our stocks are maybe 700, 900, 1,000 of counters is red. Okay, so we know the sentiment and the trend is not with us, then we stay sideline lah. Okay, especially for the day trader, contra player, yeah, best is you can stay sideline. Okay, go travel. Okay, go to Lazada or Shopee, buy the things you want. Okay, rather than you spend your money in the market, right? Okay, until the trend come back. Okay, there's a saying: your trend is your friend, right? So if the trend is no longer with you, then it's no longer your friend, right? So wait for the trend to come back. Okay, doesn't mean that we need to wait until 1005. Okay, we need to wait for some more solid reversal signal. Okay, tentatively, example, if we look back on the KLCI, no reason for us to do anything yet. Okay, so my ideal plan was, okay, the ideal scenario is maybe they found a support, they started to stabilize, go sideways, and then maybe we can start to plan for monitor more closely and see any volume started to pump in. Okay, this is for more on trader lah. Okay, for investor, yeah, they are happy that now there are many stocks in cheap sales. Okay, they will buy lah. Okay, so for me like investor, for me like the trader, I do nothing lah every day. Okay, do nothing is doing something also, right? So you can see based on the sentiment now like that, you better escape and wait lah. Most importantly is preserve your capital. Okay, for trader, preserve your capital. Okay, later you keep on cut loss. When the market really come back, your money is not there already. Okay, you cannot hold already, right? So yeah, for now the sentiment is not so favorable to trading or traders. Okay, now it's more on the investor time lah. Okay, how about the 9988? 9988 still okay lah. Yesterday tested the 130 and bounce up. Seems like they tentatively are supported by the 20 MA. Means the short term sentiment is still alright. Okay, still favor to the bull. Okay, so 1024. Quite show. Looks like in Chinese looks like a Godzilla or the Rakshasa. Quite so. Okay, so this Kwai Show, they just break out on above $60. Okay, looks like okay. Okay, looks okay. So I can say so long they are above 60, then still okay. And watch out on your immediate resistance, which is a 70. 2023 August punya resistance. Once they can clear $80. Okay, looks like every $10 is the resistance. Okay, 60 above 60. Okay, no problem. Cantik lah. Okay, Ismail. Okay, cut loss what today? No cut loss lah. Okay, not. I not really see the market also. Okay, only few hours or before market close. I see today rate no need. Okay, lucky thing I didn't do any work lah. Okay, so CCK also no good lah. CCK already many how to say, many warning has been given. Okay, here already breakdown. 130 last defense also breakdown, continue sell down. So based on here, I think they are still in a free fall mode. Okay, so the next support could be somewhere around 980. Okay, I still haven't seen any sign of rebounding, any sign make a comeback lah. Yeah, 东升西降，东方不败西方失败。Yeah, at the moment market at like this if you notice US market more on a little bit more on big correction mode, and HSI or we can say Hong Kong there they do have some bullish trend. AX, what is this? They break below 200 MAs, retest, not able to go back above 200 MAs. No good lah. Okay, so game is temporarily over. So take note on their immediate support 147. If they break down, you may see 130 or 120 lah. Okay, so as far as I know, usually AAX, I mean not long how one, usually they are not so performance not so good. You see in the long run, let me put in the weekly chart lah. You see these counters in long run since day one the IPO should be 2013 that time they down until today okay, so for me, even they have a trend also is a very short term, last for a few months only, but in general you can see this AX is in a downtrend lah. Okay, so yeah, not so good lah. Okay, not so good yet. Okay, so CPI, okay, just now, yeah, market is still volatile, but I tentatively I'm not so positive with them yet because for me I see US all performance macam still controlled by the bear lah. Okay, tentatively. Okay, how about the Coraza? Okay, there's a saying lah. The Donald Trump want to make the market crash more. So they can put pressure on the Fed to cut the interest rate. Okay, this is maybe a little bit conspiracy lah, but I think quite makes sense because the FOMC, I mean the Fed not really want to cut the interest rate. Okay, due to they think the inflation is too high, and for the Donald Trump, I think he wants weak US dollar and he want the low interest rate. Okay, so maybe they will make the market crash down further, so they will give more pressure to the power, okay, to cut the rate lah. I don't know lah. This is what I think as well lah. Okay, so how about Coraza? Okay, Coraza, yesterday they do have some big support at the 475 lah, but today neutral, not so much. Okay, so far I can say Coraza still ada hope as long as they are above 455 lah. Okay, so previously you can see they pump up, they go up. Okay, so now they come back to test here. Okay, now they are still like struggle at the 200 MAs and struggle at the support lah. So yet to break down, hope is still there. Okay, if they break below 455, tak cantik already. Okay, so next one, CIMB. CIMB is one of the banking that they have an obvious change of trend lah. Okay, you can see I would say this is what I'm more concerning like bank sector macam tak berapa strong. Okay, Maybank okay, Maybank still okay. What I worry is Maybank may follow macam ini lah. You can see this CMB there has been sideways around this zone for many months. Okay, we can see since maybe last year September lah, until now okay, they finally break down here 770. Okay, which I mentioned earlier cannot break punya level lah 770, and also 770 was a 200 MAs also. Okay, so this is a very crucial support, but they also break down already. Okay, so this could be a sideways breakdown. Okay, market may continue dive down further. Okay, so tenor on 680, 665. Okay, so for those investor, yeah, of course you can slowly find a level already lah, right? So maybe 680, maybe 630 also possible, maybe 6 ringgit also possible. Or if you don't have so much fun to do a averaging, then we wait for some reversal signal lor. Okay, maybe one day they will find a support and stabilize, started to do some reversal, then only get in also can. Okay, not wrong one. Okay, rich got rich punya method. Okay, low budget got low budget punya method. Okay, so for me, I'm more on low budget lah because 7 ringgit or 6 ringgit punya counters cannot buy too much ma. So okay, wait, I will still wait for them to found a support, stabilize, then only plan lah. Okay, so tentatively I'm seeing 680 and 665 first as their immediate support zone. Okay, how about the Super Max? Let me see. Super Max. Back to square. Very disappointing. Actually, I was expecting this year the Glove at least they are so-called safe havens, right? But they already broke down below 80 cents for Super Max. Okay, so tenor 670, 70 cents. Okay, bear in mind when the market sentiment is good, they not really jalan. When the market sentiment bad, they also bad lah. So this one need to tunggu already lah. Okay, tentatively I expect they might slow down around maybe sideways around 670 or 70 cents like that lah. Okay, Gamuda we covered already. How about DNO? Okay, DNO I think during Monday we do review, right? Okay, Monday I do review. I do mention that actually Friday they do have volumes. Okay, and yesterday you can see yesterday they also have bullish candle with volumes. Okay, so looks like DNO they do have some sign of rebounding. Okay, the only thing is they are not able to clear 145 only. Okay, once they clear above 145, okay, I think they may have more upside, maybe to 165 or even 185, also possible. So based on here, I would say based on the volume and the structure point of view, I would say they are still okay. And yeah, tenor on 128 low. Okay, cannot break down lah. Once they break down, the whole plan already fail. Okay, I think Monday I forgot to put this in the watch list, but they not really jalan, so I think still watchable lah. Still watchable. Okay, CMB we cover already. Hata lega. Very disappointing. Okay, actually they do make a good they do make a good trend since 2023. You can see the Hatta Lega trend was okay one. You can see quite okay one. 2023 July. Okay, tapi recently they already broke down below 200 MAs lah. Okay, unfortunately lah. The trend until 4 ringgit like that only sudah habis Oh, now it's like 50% discount right? The high was recent high lah was around 4 ringgit. Now the price is 2 ringgit It's 50% discount already. Okay, so the next level could be 185. Okay, 185. Okay, now 2 ringgit, 185, and also is a 140. Okay, so S1, S2 lah, but overall it's still very, very weak. Okay, how about the Hanlun? Not so nice, I will say, looks like game over already, and the confirmation is if they break below 390 lah. Okay, because today when they attempt to sell down, they still have some support lah. Try to support the price, but I will say they give you a warning already. Okay, someone try to sell, but they do have some buyer try to support lah. So tomorrow we need to see because now is a bull and bear fighting. Okay, and today closing I would say neutral, half lah. Bull and bear. I would say the power is still neutral, and tomorrow is a judgment day. Okay, if tomorrow can close bullish and above 455, maybe still ada hope. Okay, but if tomorrow closing is a bearish candle like this then tak cantik already lah. Okay, and if they go below 390, totally no game lah. Okay, how about the MSM? Gula. Now the Ramadan a lot sugary drinks but not really help lah. Okay, they continue sell down. So still very weak. Okay, Tino 108 lah. Okay, 108 as your support. Okay. Don't kurang manis right? You order drinks if you keep say kurang manis this counter cannot jalan right? Okay, so Tino on the support zone 108, 105. Okay, it's the last defense already Okay, if they break down, you may see more downside. Okay, so when go mama remember don't say kurang manis lah. Okay, but still very weak lah. Okay, how about the Genting Malaysia? Genting Malaysia juga, okay, unable to break through 200 MAs. Kena open gap down, continue sell down. Now at one of the support. Okay, 175 is a gap support. Okay, flashback. Okay, back to the past. Okay, this is when 2020 November. Okay, you can see 2020 November they do have a gap up. Okay, today they came back to fill the gap 175. Okay, still got downside or not? Possible lah. If they break below 175, next level could be 164 or even 144. So for those who have faith with them and think this is a good companies, okay, yeah, of course now it's in the deep cheap sales lah, right? So you can refer to few levels 164, 144 also possible. Okay, but so far I see still weak lah. Okay, still weak. Okay, don't know when they want to come back to rescue lah. Okay, no, so far I haven't seen any rescue team come in for Bursa yet lah. Okay, Genting a little bit lah, push up a little bit, but for me still not so convinced. Okay, Gamuda, CIMB, Koraja we cover already. Tenaga we also cover already. Okay, Netgate KNM a long time no see already these counters. Okay, Netgate okay, the first I think it's a limit down day on 3rd of March, right? Then they try to support it by 130, but Monday they break down again. Okay, yesterday got a little bit of support at 110. Today neutral. Okay, I would say overall they are still very weak. Okay, what you can expect is maybe due to oversold. Okay, maybe you can see they oversold for so many days. Okay, today and yesterday got some bullish candle. Okay, you just can expect some bounce up to 130 level. Okay, or if lucky, 150. Okay, just a rebound macam ini saja lah. Okay. Okay, KNM. KNM Group. Tak ada game lah, tak ada game. Okay, already below 200 MAs. Okay, volume recently ada, tapi I haven't seen anything. Okay, they need to clear 0.07. Okay, they need to clear above 0.07. Then only other chance to go up further lah. Okay. Okay, today index dropped some point cause Maybank, Public Bank ex dividends. Okay, I'm not sure about dividend when they have a price adjustment they were impacted on the index or not. Okay, I'm not so sure about that, but I aware of Maybank and Public Bank today got the dividend okay, that's why they have some gap down. But based on my chart, they already adjusted lah. The price already adjusted. So by right, my understanding is they should have adjustment to adjusted to not impacted to the index. Okay, from my understanding, I feel it's not fair if they are dividend then the index gap down so much. Okay, so yeah, to be sure, tomorrow we see how it's going lah. But so far you can see even Public Bank today got dividend, but actually they not really drop much. Okay, just that they from how to say 440 to 433 like that lah. Okay, they do drop. Okay, for me it's still okay, acceptable lah. Okay, and Maybank they do make a good support lah. Okay, even it's a bearish candle, but I think it's still okay. Okay, they kena gap down sikit lah, tapi overall I think it's still okay. So I think it's due to the candle is slightly bearish lah, so impacted a bit. Okay, but overall I would say tentatively I see Maybank and Public Bank is still okay. Okay, but CMB sudah tak berapa okay lah. Okay, malah off sudah breakdown 200 MA, tak berapa cantik. 820 also breakdown. Recently 780 break, 765 break. Okay, and the last one 745. Okay, now closing 750. If speaking about the EP, not yet. Okay, I'm not so comfortable with the immediate EP. Okay, even yes, if you die you want to try maybe may do some short term bounce up only lah, with your cut loss below 745. Okay, below 745, I think they will have more room to fall. Okay, for me, I would feel not worth to take the risk lah. Okay, I not really like to take this risk. If they break below 745, they may go to 70 cents. Okay, Jaya Tiasa. Okay, see any hope on this one? Jaya Tiasa also break down below 200 MAs. So now at the last, or we can say one of the crucial support, 110. Okay, if they lucky break down, we may see more downside lah. Okay, at least yesterday and today they try to defend 110 level lah. Okay, if they can get supported, go back above 115, still okay. Go below then susah lah, tak boleh already. Okay, I'm quite concerning on the US market now. Okay, a little bit rejection. Okay, never mind. Okay, come back to the crest. Okay, this one I CRESENDO. Okay. This one also tak cantik already confirm breakdown already. They already break down 200 MAs, breakdown 130. So I am expecting they may go to 120 or 115 like that lah. Okay, so tak berapa strong. Okay, how about the MRCB? Susah lah. 480 break, 40 cents break. Next level 360. Okay, is your immediate support, and overall they are still weak. Okay, they are still weak. Gamuda we covered already. Gamuda. Oh, so many people interested with Gamuda. Good lah. But I think it's worth to monitor, just that currently maybe still got chance to get at the lower price. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, but it's good to KIV on them. Okay. And the next support could be 80 cents, but synergy is still very weak. Okay, already below 200 MAs. Take note on 80 cents, so your immediate support. Hata covered. Let's go for the Kosan. Oh yo, macam mana bro ini? Okay, 178 break. Okay, 170 break. Okay, today closing 169. Okay, so yeah, if the next few days, if they are still unable to go back above 170, then next level would be 141 already lah. Okay, they have a gap here. So I would say glove counters are tentatively they are in a big correction, or we can say they are in a bear market already lah. Okay, game sudah habis. Okay, this one also break down. 880 also break down. Today closing 840. Okay, so more break 790 would be the immediate support. Okay, so maybe last year people goreng on the virus outbreak or what lah. That's why they ada some sentiment also. Okay, during year end pun ada lah many virus outbreak flu something like that. But now seems like no more people mentioning about this already also, right? So the don't have much reason to push the price as well lah. Okay, so tenor on 790, 705 would be your S1, S2, but overall it's still weak. Okay, still weak. Wow, so many people ask about Gamuda. Okay, let me repeat again now. Okay, maybe some of you have missed out these counters. Okay, Gamuda, if you base on the structure point of view, this was a recent ATH, or we can say this is an all-time high. So they face some correction. Okay, so they do supported here and bounce up. Okay, you can see when they bounce up, the high is getting lower. So imagine you throw a basketball, okay, if they are unable to bounce up above previous high, means the momentum getting weaker and weaker lah. So now they are back to here, this floor. Okay, and someone actually they break below already lah. Okay, so if imagine this one bounce up, no strength, continue sell down. So maybe the next bounce may not have much strength already lah. Okay, if we base on the momentum, maybe they might just like this lah. Okay, based on what we see lah. Most likely they will be like that. So I would say tentatively they are weak and they are below all moving averages already. And first day breakdown 200 MAs. So I would say short term is bear. Mid-term, bearish, and long-term, I would say is neutral because just break below 200 MAs. Okay, so support term resistance, right? So 4 ringgit and 380 would be your R1, R2. And the S1, S2, I am seeing 355 and 340. Okay, so I'm expecting maybe they might come back down. Okay, here lah, last year punya support lah. Okay, 355, 340 would be your S1, S2. Okay, PIE we cover already. Ada chance to rebound lah. Ada chance to rebound. UTD Plantation. Okay, United Plantation. This is a 20 over ringgit punya counters. So I think the sentiment not really affected by anything lah. Okay, recently they do have some I would say retracement lah. Okay, just like what happened here lah. They retrace, go back to 50 MA, then continue goes up. So far so good lah. I would say short term they face some retracement, but long term is still good because they are still above 200 MAs. So these counters I would say so long above 20 ringgit lah. Nothing much to worry about. Still alright. Okay, DNO we covered already. We go for ENO. Oh, okay, ENO sudah. As you can see, ENO sudah very weak lah. Okay, below all moving averages. Recently breakdown crucial level 815. Okay, zoom in what we can see. Yesterday high volume with a so-called hammer-like candle, and today with a bullish candle, high volume. So you can see yesterday and today they do have volumes. Okay, based on here, we may expect some short-term bounce up. Okay, just a bounce up to test a resistance lah. Okay, because here was a support, right? 815840 was a support. Now break down already, right? So turn into resistance. So imagine it's like you stay in a condo, right? Your floor, if your floor break down and you go to next level below, so if you look up, here would be your ceiling. Okay, just like this lah. Easier to remember. So you can see they are keep going down next level already. Okay, seems like they tentatively found a floor around here lah. 715, 70 cents. Okay, other volume. So I expect short term may have some bounce up. Okay, so tenor on 780 and maximum I'm seeing they just retest here lah, 815. But with current sentiment, I'm not sure whether they can push up so much or not. Okay, but based on these today's volumes, I expect they may have some short-term rebound. Okay, short-term rebound lah. So maybe go to 780, also happy already lah. For current market sentiment. Okay, and maximum, yeah, because due to resistance and support, I'm seeing maybe somewhere nearby 815 and 840 lah. Okay, short-term bounce, more suitable for maybe day trader or short-term trader macam inilah. Okay, Dofu also keep on dropping down. Okay, yesterday they do have correct, right, discounters. Okay, based on the volume point of view, we can see yesterday got a slight bullish candle. Okay, most importantly, yesterday volume is interesting. Okay, yesterday at least we can see these volumes are confirm not you or me able to buy so much, right? So seems like they are trying to defend 1 ringgit mark. Okay, so means tentatively Tofu you can use 1 ringgit as your last defense. Okay, stay above still alright, but they are still weak. Even they can go up, we also expect some maybe rebound only lah. Okay, so maybe I put some as a potential watch list for upcoming days. Okay, due to they have volumes and seems like they also found support, so worth to KIV. Okay, later I will share in the Telegram lah. Okay, MMAC. Okay, MMAC still okay lah, not really going anywhere, but just be careful only lah. Anytime only. But so far they are still stable lah. Despite market sentiment no good, they are still able to sustain the price. Okay, bravo. Okay, so 455 cannot break lah. Stay above still okay. Okay, how about MN Holding? Okay, from MN Holdings from Alicia. Okay, MN Holding, they are still trying to defend the 200 MA's mark. Okay, so tenor 960 and 1 ringgit. Okay, this is a last important level for the MN Holding. If they can stay, good. Okay, if they break, no good already lah. We are seeing more downside lah. So tentatively, what we can see, tentatively what we can see, this is a high. When they sell down, they bounce up. The high is getting lower. Okay, so they go back to retest here. Okay, so if they can bounce up, hopefully they can clear break above this high lah, which is a 115. But if they just bounce up maybe to 110 and continue to sell down, okay, most likely they might break below 960 level. Okay, so now I would say they are still okay. I need a confirmation 960. If they break down, tak cantik lah. And MACD point of view shows us that the momentum is still favored to the bear. Okay, how about the My News? Also tak cantik. Okay, My News break 200 MAs, break 60 cents. Okay, the only thing on the bright side lah, on the bright side is yesterday they have a so-called hammer like candle, higher volumes, trying to support 550. Okay, so this one I would say if able to bounce up, your EP is a 550. Yeah, okay. So based on here, I think you get at the good price. And yeah, even though today you can see it's a slight bearish candle, but the volume is super low. So I think the chances is still there. Okay, so for me, maybe I will put my stop loss below 530 lah, which is the no lah. I think don't put below 530 already. Put below 550 lah. If they close below 550, I think most likely 530 also may break. Okay, if they are able to bounce up, okay, due to the support turn resistance, 60 cents would be your immediate resistance. McLean, okay, let me see. McLean is still in a sideways mode. Okay, 280 cannot break. Okay, above 280, you still got chance. Okay, I think okay lah, ada chance lah. Anyone buy Netgate? Netgate for me yesterday got volume come into support. Okay, for me maybe due to oversold, they attract buyer to do some rebound trade. Okay, so I expect just a rebound tentatively. Okay, L soft, very soft. Okay, susah lah. 330 sudah break already. So this one volume ada kah? Okay sajalah, okay saja. Okay, so far Elsoft, I think we better wait for some. I mean, at least more solid signal lah. Otherwise, not so cantik lah. Oh, US Open already. Okay, so far okay lah. Still need to wait for 1 hour, see how it's going. Okay, Notion mother share tak cantik, sudah break 885, sudah break 8780. And how about the Sun? Mother tak boleh, Sun pun tak boleh. Okay, so tentatively Notion tak cantik lah. Okay, hello Siu Wa Chin, good evening. Hello View Tech. Okay, because I didn't, how to say my watch list I didn't put PE into consideration. Okay, so you need to manually use something to find lah. Okay, usually I more prefer to wait for volumes. Okay, if no volumes, no meaning lah. Okay, I prefer wait for the buyer or the volume come back, then I only will take into watch this. Okay, so I not really see the fundamental how to say fundamental indicator lah. Okay, PE what I really no see one. Okay, I want the volume only. Okay, got people buy, got people notice these counters, then they baru boleh jalan mah. Okay, LGMS tak cantik. Okay, this one, but they recently they do have a lot of volumes. Keep on pushing down. So 855 would be your immediate support. Okay, if they continue sell down, they okay, no wonder they have some support here lah. Okay, this is a support back in 2024. Okay, but overall this one is still weak lah. Okay, so maybe I will put 830, 855 as the support zone. And momentum wise, they are still very weak. Okay, still very weak. Okay, SMRT also sorry, wrong country go back Malaysia. Okay, SMRT also tak cantik lah. Break 200 mA already, break 1 ringgit already. Okay, now at one of the support 880, 860. Tak, but also tak cantik yet lah. Okay, this one tunggu lah, tunggu. Okay, how about the Inari? Also tak cantik, belum cantik. Okay, so they have a high volume breakdown on 28th February and continue to sell down. Okay, next support could be 175 for Inari. Okay, wait for some reversal pattern also can. Tentatively, I yet to see any. Okay, OSK, the breakout fail, come back down. Okay, so I expect they might come back down to 166 level. Okay, long-term point of view, they are still good because they are still above 200 MAs. So if you're a long-term holder, take note on 160. If you're mid-term holder, take note on 166 lah. Okay, Penta. still not so good lah. Maybe okay, if the overall market sentiment come back, okay, maybe they might have some short-term bounce up to fill the gap. Okay, maybe 277 lah, but overall it's still very weak. Okay, this is a so-called mini hammer lah. Or if they can stay above 250, maybe they might come up to fill the gap. But if they continue breakdown, then no game lah. They may go to 2 ringgit or even lower. If Fed cut rate, no good for bank stocks. Oh, doesn't matter. Okay, most importantly is the market has a lot of money and no place to go, then they will go to stocks market already. Okay, so yeah, finally got some ask growth counters. Okay, unfortunately lah, growth a bit susah. Tech stock sector, yeah, I think in how to say I think tech is more, how to say tech stocks I mean tech sector, they have more imagination, right? They have more prospect. At least you can see, oh, in future can do this, do that, do this, do that. So market will have more expectation on the tech counters. Okay, but for the growth, okay, just growth lah. Okay, you wear like that only mah. Okay, you can't imagine in future can do what, right? But for tech, you can blow and they'll say, oh, in future AI got robot you need to change the phone every year something like that. Okay, you have more imagination for the investor lah. But for the glove, it's like, okay, ada COVID, you wear glove. Okay, wear more glove. Okay, no COVID, no need wear. Okay, just like that, very simple, straightforward. Okay, no imagination. So a bit susah to push lah. So Unisem, okay, technically they do have some rebound signal lah. Okay, they already sell down for so long. Finally, they have some so-called hammer with volume. And you can see these few days, Unisem, they're trying to defend 190. Okay, volume pun okay. So this also means that so long the price above 190, maybe they do have chance to bounce up. Okay, but yeah, don't expect too much lah. Maybe to 200, 20 MA only. Okay, you can see all this while, ever since they break below 200 MAs, they macam keep on resisted by either 50 or 20 MA. Right? So maybe they also oversold, found some support. Maybe they will do some bounce up. Okay, just a bounce lah. No, don't expect too much. Okay, don't expect too much. Okay, SCG. Oh, today we also overrun. Good also. Market no good. We also can talk so much. Okay, SCG last defense 1 ringgit. Okay, 1 ringgit to 950 a bit far. Okay, 1 ringgit 950 is a crucial support for SCG lah. Stay above. They had a chance to bounce up further lah, maybe to 115 like that lah. But if they break below then no game no game . Okay, LPI. Okay, LPI breakdown 1350. So for me, short term not so strong already. They may go to 1300 or even lower. Okay, so KSM. KSM still tak cantik. The selling pressure is still there. So do nothing yet lah. Do nothing first. Hatta goodbye now. I cannot say goodbye or not lah. But I can say they are still weak. Okay. But maybe you can wait somewhere around 185. Okay. To KIV lah. You KIV over there. Okay. I cannot say can buy or not lah. No good lah. Later this channel kena. Okay. Hong Leong Bank, take note on 20 ringgit, your immediate support, and 1970 is a crucial support for Hong Leong. Okay, so S1, S2, and your resistance 21. But if they break below 1970, tak cantik they may fall down to 18 plus. Sunrit. Sunrit is still okay. Okay, for your immediate support is a 185 and 180 lah. Okay. So best case scenario is a 170, but we don't know. But we don't know whether market want to press down further or not. Okay, how about the Sunway? Sunway today first day breakdown 200 MAs. So long term turn into neutral. Okay, so you can see the high is getting lower and getting lower, right? And the low getting lower and getting lower. Okay, so now they are coming back to retest a 410 level. Okay, if they break below 410, memang no good. Okay, for me it's not so good already. Okay, unlike previously the trend is super strong, now turning weak. Okay, turning weak, and the confirmation is 410. If they close below 410, tak cantik already they may fall down further lah. Okay, so if they can stay, they do have high chance to go sideways. Okay, growth sector ASP drops sharply. Okay, actually I didn't not really see about them lah. Okay, for me, the business easy to understand by retailers. That's why retailers love to buy them lah. This is what I think lah. Like those famous counters like you see those kopi 99 mark okay, those easy to understand one usually retailers love to invest in them. Okay, but the business, if you understand further, you can see actually is normal only lah. Okay, so Suncon is still okay, still ada chance lah. Okay, above 4 ringgit still okay. Above 4 ringgit still okay. Okay, just that the uptrend already up for so much already, right? So time for them, actually they already in sideways lah, I would say. Right, sideways since last year July until now, sideways only. Okay, but at least the deep retracement already happens. So you can see they also made a comeback. Now more on sideways. Okay, so I would say they are still okay. Just that maybe it'll be boring, just like that only. Okay, but at least they are still above 200 MAs trying to above. UOA development, tak cantik. Break 200 MAs, break 180, break 175. Susah. Okay, tentatively lah, susah. They know 170 as their immediate support. Ya, tak berapa cantik lah. Tak berapa cantik. Okay, Unisem we covered already. Great Tech rebound ada chance lah. Oh, US market sudah kena press down Okay, this is the first 10 minutes Okay, so yeah, distracted a bit. Okay, Great Tech technically what happened yesterday? Okay, you can see Great Tech these counters Okay, this is a downtrending counters, right? You can see since they are not able to go through 200 MAs they sell more than buy. Okay, even go up also few days only. Okay, well, you can see the whole 2025 they are pure selling only. Okay, so yesterday they do have a so-called, this is what we call, you can say it's a dodgy lah. It's like a how to say the market take a pause. Okay, the selling pressure take a pause. So the bull is here fighting, the bear here fighting, so nobody wins. But today they show us something lah. Okay, market open gap out already. Market open gap out, push up a little bit higher. So looks like okay, they do have some potential to bounce up a little bit more. Okay, bounce up a little bit more, maybe to test 160 or even the 20 MA lah. Okay, so just a rebound, but no good lah. Okay, just a rebound only lah, temporarily due to oversold. But also have a fear case like this, or hammer appeared but tak jalan. Okay, market sell down. Okay, also possible. So for this case, maybe I will put a 135 as my last defense. Above 135 still okay, below tak boleh lah. Okay, data prep this one I think I think all the operators semua kena jalan Okay, this one also tak ada apa-apa. Today volume slight higher tapi doesn't mean anything. Okay, for data prep, they need to go back above 160 baru ada hope lah. Okay, Bursa. Bursa pula. Carlsberg. Carlsberg also stress break 200 MAs already. Okay, now 1800 is their immediate support. If they break down further, 1750 will be your S2. Okay, S1, S2 like that. Also tak berapa cantik lah. Also downtrending. But if you are investor or you're very interested with them, you turn on 1800, 1750. Gishan. Oh, Gishan is still in the uptrending. But this is quite in liquid counters lah. So maybe the boss own most of the counters, most of the tickets, so they can control the price. Supported very well. So far so good. Okay, not really move much. Take note on 4 ringgit and 378. Okay, maybe you can check on the fundamental on the market float. Okay, you see how many stocks, how many tickets is in the market only. Okay, I based on what I see here, I think most of the tickets is under top 30 shareholders based on what I see like that lah. But so far still okay. As long as they are above 380 still okay lah. No problem. Yuli is a no lah. Let me see. Yeah, it's a no, big no for me. No matter how even though you can see from here until here earn a lot for me, no matter how, I also won't touch these counters lah. Okay, so I was very manipulative lah based on what I see here. Okay, this one don't see lah. Okay, no good lah. Okay, bad for your health. Okay, this one, if you're really interested, wait for them to stabilize. Okay, last one. Don't add more. Okay, Brusa. Okay, as you know, our market sentiment are cantik, right? So Brusa also impacted lah. Okay, recently break below 850, which is a 200 MAs. Well, actually, this one last year already break down lah. So today break 750, one of the support already broken down. So they are going down to maybe 710 or 688. Okay, so the bear is still in control. So why not wait for them to stabilize or found a support? You only plan lah. Otherwise, no point for us to get at the no man land. Okay, this is what we call no man land. Like example, we see here as a resistance, right? And we see here as a resistance, and we see here as a support, right? But current price is at here. They are not in a good support. Okay, so we call here as a no man land. Okay, so usually we try not to execute any trade. Okay, at the no man land. Okay, we wait for the price at least come to the support. We only plan for entry. Okay, at least you cut loss. You also know what you do. Okay, but if you simply enter at the no man land, or when the price keep falling down, you keep on going in. Okay, one day you also gonna give out one. So susah a bit lah. Okay, kopi habis lah at the moment. Okay, this one I will say lah. Okay, not investor, retailers, they are very interested with these counters because they know this company only. Okay, they only I saw this company in shopping mall, that's why I want to invest. But you can see actually, they are already below the first day listing price lah. So actually nothing much interesting. But if you are interested, 660 will be your immediate support lah. Okay, but for me, I'm not so interested. FFB also one of the counters that retailers know them only. Okay, because they saw them in the grocery shop. Okay, but this one I'm more interested lah, because I think their milk is good lah. Okay, so far 165, 163 is a crucial support for them. Okay, short term a little bit weak, but long term they are still okay. They are still above 200 MAs. So I would say so long above 163, I'm still okay with them. Okay, so by looking back, this FFB, they listed on 2022, right? So you can see, they listed, go sideways, they have a crash down. Then they only make a comeback. Okay, so for some of the IPO counters, most of the IPO counters, I noticed they might have a similar pattern. Okay, similar pattern. Usually after listing, maybe they will have a short-term run up. After that, they will wash down. Okay, wash down, then wash everyone out lah. Then baru make a comeback lah. Like I think Mr. Incheck bought Sendiri also the same. But this one they do quite some time. They also have a push out for a couple of months. Okay, then only wash down. Then sideways and then come back again. But yeah, as you know lah, this company also retailers know them only mah. Okay, so that's all for tonight lah. Okay, we also overrun until 9:50 already. So thank you for those who staying up until 9:50 with us. Okay, despite on the market sentiment so weak Okay, so yeah, if you yet to click a like, please go and click a like lah. Click a like and then if can help me to share this link. So at least we can get more viewership in our live session videos so we can keep on doing the live session. Okay, so thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have a interactive live chat. And those who yet join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code, screenshot, and then you click, then they will link you to the Telegram. Okay, later I will share the watch list for upcoming days. Okay, watch list only lah. At least we can learn from the watch list. Okay, okay. So that's all for tonight, and we see you next Monday 8:30. Thank you, everyone.